Sentinel mindset.
Yeah.
Teach our students today is your day. If you go out that door and you're not thinking today is my day,
Yep.
Yes.
you might not win on that encounter.
Right.
If you think today is my day, you're going to be ahead of the curve.
Oh, wow.
100%.
That's
The day
good.
I stop thinking today is my day, when I go out that door, I'll hang it up.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And that's the way we look at it.
Okay.
Just like Byron said, you don't wake up in the morning and go, you know what? I'm going to be
Yeah.
attacked today when I go on that detail.
Yes.
You don't think that way.
Right.
Right.
But
you're
you
looking.
need to.
Yeah.
You need to think, today is the day I'm going to be attacked, so let me make sure I get my planning solid.
Okay.
Let me make sure my vehicle's up.
Right.
Because when that attack happens, because
gonna
I'm
be
assuming
right
it's
there.
going to happen, everything is solid.
Okay.
Let me make sure my skills are up to par.
Right.
Because when it happens, I need to make sure that I'm ready.